Hello, my dear lovely kids. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Last class, one interested poem we studied. Correct? Which lesson? Which lesson we studied last class? Lesson 5. What is lesson name? Kitne sare tyohar. How many festivals? We learned thoroughly that lesson. Today we are going to see that lesson related questions. Okay, textbook activities and workbook activities we are going to see today. Okay, very interesting lesson, right? Everyone know the lesson clearly? Any doubt? Okay, please take page number 32. Textbook page number 32. Open your textbook and take page number 32. Okay, this lesson activity is also very interesting. Okay, very interesting general activities. Okay, shall we do? Okay, come on. First question. Okay, दिए गए त्योहारों से कौन कौन से शब्द जुड़े हुए हैं? What is the meaning? दिए गए त्योहारों से कौन ओके का एंड औ की मात्रा कौन से शब्द okay, half of the ba and full da, that is the शब्द जुड़े हुए हैं. What is the question you know? In this box, pink color box, they gave some words. Okay, that words are related to some festivals. That words are related to festivals. We want to choose which word related to which festival. Okay, below you can see first Deepavali. So Deepavali related two words are here in this box. We want to take and write that words here. Okay, one example they gave in the textbook. According to that, we want to do remaining. Okay, first Deepavali. If you are hearing the festival Deepavali, what is come to your mind first? Deepavali. Yes. Patake and diye. Patake means what? You know, firecrackers, Deepavali time you are buying and enjoying a lot, right? Yes. Patake, diye, firecrackers. Okay. Then next, what is this? Rakshabandhan. Rakshabandhan. Rakshabandhan means, you know Rakshabandhan? Anyone? Yes or no? Okay. Rakshabandhan festival, what we are doing now? Sisters are tying one rope to their brother's hand. Okay. Rakhi. What is that rope name? You know, Rakhi. They are tying rope to their brothers. Okay. Okay, dear children, that is Rakshabandhan. And Tilak. Tilak means Tilak, you know. Yes. Tilak. Rakshabandhan, Rakhi and Tilak. Okay, Rakhi and Tilak is the important things in Rakshabandhan. Then Christmas, church, cake. Christmas, church. We are going to church and cake. Cake is the star also. So here they gave church and cake. So we are writing here church and cake. Then Baisagi is a festival celebrating in north. Okay, north states. Baisagi. What is the speciality you know? Here you see Bhagada or Gidda Nritya. They are dancing in Baisagi festival. They are dancing. Bhagada dance and the Gidda dance. Okay, Bhagada or Gidda Nritya. Okay, and also Fasal Kattana. Okay, Fasal Kattana. These two related to Baisagi festival. What are they? Bhagada or Gidda Nritya and also Fasal Kattana. Fasal Kattana. Then Ramzan, everyone know Muslims are celebrating Ramzan. Okay, Rosa, Chand, moon and Rosa is the main attraction of this Ramzan. Then Dashara, Dasara festival. Ravan, Navaratri. Okay, one story, Dasara related story is there. So, main characters, Ravan. Okay, Navaratri time, Dasara. We are celebrating in Navaratri time. This Dasara and Baisagi is mostly Raksha Bandhan also northern people, north state peoples are celebrating this three festival mostly. Okay. Okay, Deepavali, Pattage, Diye, Raksha Bandhan, Rakhi, Tilak, Christmas, Church, Cake, Baisagi, Bhagada or Gidda, Nritya, Fasal Kattana, Ramzan, Rosa, Chand, Dashhara, Ravan, Navaratri. Okay, dear students? Yes. Next, take page number 33. Page number 33. Okay. Listen. दिए गए शब्दों में से एक वचन के सामने एक तारा और बहुवचन के सामने दो तारे बनाए. You know एकवचन, बहुवचन meaning what? Ekavajan, Bahuvajan. Ekavajan, singular. Okay, singular. Bahuvajan means plural. Okay. Below they gave some Ekavajan, Vakya and Bahuvajan. Okay, Bahuvajan Shabda they gave. We want to write, what we want to write in the box Ekavajan. Singular means we want to draw one star. If that word is Bahuvajan, plural means what we want to do? We want to draw two stars in the box. Okay? Understood? Below they gave some words. Okay? We want to find out that words are Ekavajan. Singular means we want to draw one star in the box. Okay? If that word is plural means we want to. Bahuvajan means we want to draw two stars in the box. Okay, dear students? Once more. Listen the question. दिए गए शब्दों में से एक वचन के सामने एक तारा one star और बहुवचन के सामने दो तारे two stars. Okay, बनाए. Shall we go to question? Kappada. What is this? Kapada. Dress. Okay, kapada. Okay, kapada is singular. Okay, singular. Ekavajan. So, draw one star. Okay, one star you draw. Then, here you see pattage. Pattage is what? Pattage plural, Bahuvajan. Okay, more firecrackers is there means pattage we are saying. Singular is pataga. Okay, pataga. This is plural. So draw Bahuvajan. Draw two stars. Okay, two stars. Then मिठाई एकवचन draw one star. टोपी एकवचन so draw one star. किताबें this is plural बहुवचन so draw two stars. Okay, two stars. Kappade, kappade. This is Bahuvajan, plural. So see here, kappada, kappada, Ekavajan, kappade, Bahuvajan. Kappada, kappade, Bahuvajan. Okay? 2 stars. Draw here 2 stars. Then Pataga. This is Ekavajan. Here you can see Bahuvajan. Patage. Pa-ta-gha. Pa-ta-gha. Pataga. Ekavajan. So draw here 1 star. Patage. Pataga. Ekavajan. Patage. Bahuvajan. Okay. Mittayam. Mittayam. Bahuvajan. Okay. Mittayam. Ekavajan is here. Mittayi. Mittayi. Ekavajan. Mittayam. Bahuvajan. Okay. Next. Toppiyam. Toppiyam. Bahuvajan. Toppi. Ekavajan is here. Okay. Toppi. Toppiyam. Okay. Listen. Kappada. Kappade. Toppi. Toppiyam. Pataga. Patage. Mittayi. Mittayam. Okay. Kitab. Kitabe Ekavajan is kitab. Okay. Kitab. Kitabe. Okay dear students. Very easy no? Okay. Next we are going to learn workbook activities. Okay. Take your Hindi workbook, page number 21. Page number 21. Please take. Okay. This is very easy. Okay. If you learn the poem well, you can easily write the answer. Listen. Ulti pulti kavita. Ulti pulti kavita. Kitne Listen. कितने सारे त्योहार कविता की कुछ पंक्तियाँ उल्टी पुल्टी हो गई हैं. इन्हें सही करके दोबारा लिखें. कितने सारे त्योहार कविता की कुछ पंक्तियाँ उल्टी पुल्टी हो गई हैं. इन्हें सही करके दोबारा लिखें. Okay. Below 3 stanza of सारे कितने सारे त्योहार poem देंगे. Okay. 3 stanzas are there. The stanzas they are given not correct manner. Okay. We want to correct that line and we want to write it. Correctly we want to write. Okay. They gave alternately. Okay. First line, third line, like that. Okay. First line they gave, last line like that. Okay. Shall we see? Listen. मौसम बदलता जैसे अपना. नए नए त्योहार वैसे वैसे आते देखो. रूप रंग हर बार. Is this correct? Like this we studied, we learned like this? No. Listen. मौसम बदलता जैसे अपना. Next, रूप रंग हर बार will come. First line is correct. Second line, this line will come as second line. रूप रंग हर बार. Then वैसे वैसे आते देखो. नए नए त्योहार. Okay? Correct it. Okay? Open your textbook, see the poem and write correctly. Okay? Next, मूंगफली तिल की खुशबू से. मूंगफली तिल की खुशबू से. साल में जब भी आता बर जाते बाजार. लोहड़ी का त्योहार. No, not like this. मूंगफली तिल की खुशबू से बर जाते बाजार. Third line will come second. बर जाते बाजार. साल में जब भी आता लोहड़ी का त्योहार. Okay. नेक्स्ट स्टैंसा. दीपों की झिलमिल से रोशन साल में जब भी आता हो जाता सारा संसार दिवाली का त्योहार. दीपों की झिलमिल से रोशन हो जाता, थर्ड विल कम सेकेंड लाइन, हो जाता सारा संसार साल में जब भी आता दिवाली का त्योहार. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वंस मोर लिसन. मौसम बदलता जैसे अपना नए नए त्योहार वैसे वैसे आते देखो रूप रंग हर बार. फर्स्ट लाइन, then last line, fourth line will come second. वैसे वैसे, third line is correct. Then नए नए त्योहार will come last. मूंगफली तिल की खुशबू से, करेक्ट, फर्स्ट लाइन. देन सेकेंड लाइन, थर्ड लाइन, बर जाते बाजार विल कम सेकेंड लाइन. थर्ड लाइन, साल में, सेकेंड लाइन विल कम थर्ड. लोहड़ी का त्योहार लास्ट. हियर ऑल्सो दीपों की झिलमिल फर्स्ट लाइन, थर्ड लाइन विल कम as second line will go to third, दिवाली का त्योहार लास्ट लाइन. Okay dear students, very easy, right? Then here this one you leave it. This one, what you want to do? मनपसंद त्योहार. अपने मनपसंद त्योहार का चित्र बनाकर उसमें रंग भरें, साथ ही उससे जुड़े दो वाक्य लिखें. What you want to do? Which festival you like most? Which is your favorite festival? You draw that festival picture here and color it. Okay, you draw the festival. Which festival you like most? That festival picture you draw in this place and color it. Okay, regarding that festival, any two line in Hindi or any two words related to that festival right here. Any two words. We saw so many examples. Deepavali, what we saw? Pattage, diye. Correct? Then Ramzan, Rosa and Chand. We saw already one activity. Christmas, church, cake. Like that, any two words related to that festival, right in this line. Okay? Understood? Any festival. Which festival you like most? Okay? Please draw the picture related to that festival. Draw here and color it, and that festival related any two words write in this line. Okay? Yes. Then take page number 24. Page number 24. You can see one picture here, correct? दिया गया चित्र देखें और एक वचन बहुवचन शब्द ढूंढकर सही स्थान पर लिखें. दिया गया चित्र देखें और एक वचन बहुवचन शब्द ढूंढकर सही स्थान पर लिखें. Okay. In this picture you can see singular and plural. Here more boys are there. Boy in Hindi. एकवचन शब्द लड़का. Okay. बहुवचन plural is लड़के. Okay. लड़का boy, लड़के boys. Then you can see here butterfly. You can see one butterfly and more butterflies you can see. So one butterfly titali, more titaliyam. Okay. Titaliyam. Then more girls are there, no? Girl, ladki. Girls, ladkiyam. Then ball in Hindi, gend. Balls, gendhom. Okay, gendhom. Ladka, ladke, titaliyam, ladki, ladkiyam, gendhom. Okay, my dear students? Yes. Then we are going to see notebook. Okay, lesson 4, up to lesson 4 we finished, right? Yes. Notebook, first line you write part 5. Below lesson name, कितने सारे त्योहार. Put Roman letter 1, अंग्रेजी अर्थ. अंग्रेजी अर्थ. First one, त्योहार. What is the meaning? Festival. F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L. Festival. Mausam, weather. W-E-A-T-H-E-R. Weather. Bazaar. Bazaar. Market. M-A-R-K-E-T. Market. Asman. Asman. Sky. S-K-Y. Sky. Chand, moon, M-O-O-N. Tyohar, festival. Mausam, weather. Bazaar, market. Asman, sky. Chand, moon. The next, put Roman letter 2. Ekvajan, Bahuvajan, Shabd. Okay, singular, plural words. Here below line, Ekavajan you write, Bahuvajan in two sides. Okay, Kappada, Kappade. Pataga, Patage. Kitab, Kitabhem. Mitai, Mitayam. Toppi, Toppiyam. Okay, Kappada, Kappade. Pataga, Patage. Kitab, Kitabe. Mitai, Mitayam. Toppi, Toppiyam. Okay. Study well, my dear students. Stay safe. Take care. Bye. Thank you.